Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a pop-up in Squarespace. Now firstly, open the Squarespace website. Now log into your Squarespace account. Now go to Marketing and go to Promotional Pop-up. Now once you're in this section, you can actually add a promotional pop-up on your website. Mostly, it's for the customer's detail, like the email or the phone number. But you can actually customize it according to your needs and desires. Let me show you how to customize it a bit more. I'm going to demonstrate the whole process of adding the text and changing the color of the text. And that would be it. And that's how you make a pop-up on your Squarespace website. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe.